Welcome Kasturians to the concluding video of Chapter 1 History, that is the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this video we will discuss visualizing of the nation and the nationalism and imperialism. So let's start. In this visualization of nation during the 19th centuries and 18th centuries, the countries, they were represented as if it were a person, and the nations were portrayed as a female figure, and these female figures were used to give an abstract idea of nation a composite form. That is, the female figures, they became an allegory of nation to portray the ideas of liberty, justice and republic through specific objects or symbols. As we know that allegory or allegorical story has two meanings, one the literal one and one symbolic. So these allegories, female allegories, they were symbolic form of justice in the form of a blindfolded woman carrying a pair of weighing scales. Also for liberty, it was the red cap or the broken chain. In France, the allegory was christened as Marianne. In Germany, Germania became the allegory, and this Marianne was basically providing the idea of a people's nation, and the red cap, the tricolor, the cockade statues, these were all used to symbolize the ideas of liberty, justice and republic. In the same manner, in Germany, it was Germania that became the allegory, because the German oak stands for heroism, and that's why the Germania was having a crown of oak leaves. By the last quarter of 19th century, nationalism, which was earlier related to idealistic liberal democratic sentiment, it lost its way and it became a narrow creed with limited ends. The nationalist groups, they became intolerant of each other and they were ready to go for war. And in this nationalist tension in Europe after 1871, the major area was called the Balkans. The Balkans comprised of modern day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia and Montenegro. The Balkans, it was a major region of geographical and ethnic variation. This was under the control of the Ottoman Empire, that is the Ottoman Turks. And the idea of romantic nationalism, when it spread to this region, it made this region very explosive. And the Balkan states, they were jealous of each other and they hoped to gain more territories at the expense of each other. So it was a cutthroat competition to survive and to extend the rule among the Balkan states. The European powers, they were also looking for extending their control over the Balkan area, and ultimately, as a result of all this tension, a series of war, they broke out in the region, and finally it resulted in the First World War and was later on related to imperialism. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.